Welcome back. Independence Park Limited, IPL, is downplaying concerns that the National Stadium has been overbooked for the next 4 days, with 3 different sporting events to be staged at the facility. The GISA National Prep Schools Athletics Championships, the CONCACAF, the Caribbean Club Championships, and the Reggae Girls friendly match against Panama are all set to overlap. The National Stadium and the Stadium East facilities will be a hotbed of activities over the next 4 days, with the GISA National Prep Schools Athletics Championships getting things off the blocks on Thursday and running until Saturday. The CONCACAF Club Championship, which involves Jamaican clubs Portmore United and Waterhouse, will also be using the Stadium East facility on Thursday and Sunday evening, while the Reggae Girls will use the National Stadium field for their friendly international against Panama on Sunday evening. So, how will Independence Park Limited, which is responsible for the maintenance of the facility, including bookings, avoid a clash of these events?
On Thursday, what will happen is that they will finish early, clear the field, and instead of they putting the tents around the Stadium East track, which they would normally do, the tents will be placed on the northeast field. So we'll be able to clear the field in time for the games. For the club championship games on Thursday. Same thing on Sunday. They finish on Saturday, and it will be cleared. The match on Sunday is at 1 p.m. for Stadium East. For the Reggae Girls match is at 6 o'clock. So I don't see an issue in terms of whether parking or clashes in terms of time.
But even though noting that all stakeholders have agreed to the adjustments to accommodate the activities, was it a case of the National Stadium facilities being overbooked?
You know, one sometimes wonders, because sometimes people complain we don't have enough events, and when we have a lot of events, people complain. It's a matter of utilizing your facilities the best. We have to use the facilities. It's not there for any one event or one sports, and I'm pleased to say that GISA in sports, everybody worked well and understood the need to make slight adjustments to accommodate each other. That's what we're here for.
IPL Chairman Major Desmond Brown also sought to highlight a bigger picture of looking towards hosting international events.
By hosting these events, you get an opportunity to host more events. For instance, the Gold Cup is coming, the first time the Gold Cup is coming to Jamaica. We want to do our best, because if we have a good showing, then we can host more. So when you get an opportunity to host this event, it's in our interest to do our best to facilitate it.
It's now a wait and see if the IPL's wearing of many different caps will cover everyone involved over the next few days.